Hi guys, so quick update right here. You can see, as I mentioned yesterday, the Bitcoin price was following this rising wedge, broke out. It confirmed its resistance, but the Bitcoin price kept rising, and then it finally ended up falling down to the specific price target. Like I mentioned yesterday, it is really close around the $44,000 area right now. So as I said yesterday, watch out because of the low volume right here. Also, the bearish divergence right here in the 1 hour time frame. Also, as you can see right here, there is a strong support right here in the Bitcoin price. This is a double top pattern. Look at this. It's like a it's a double breakout, but inverted. So I'm gonna invert the chart just for a second so you can see how it will look like this. Look at this. It's a W breakout. You measure it's measured like this. There's a double bottom. The neckline will be here, which is finding a lot of support, and now it's resistance if you invert it like this. So the price target would be measured like this, the bottom to the high, and then you pull it out like this, and the price target will be around the $42,000, $600 area. Just as I mentioned yesterday, that's the net Fibonacci retracement, the 0.5, the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, and watch out for that, guys. So I'm going to put the chart again in the normal, not inverted scale chart. Look at that. So it's an M pattern. So watch out for that, guys. So like I said yesterday, the Bitcoin price will most likely go to this Fibonacci retracement and then go to this specific Fibonacci retracement around this bigger rising wedge. As you can see right here, I'm gonna draw it out really quick right here. So it is around here. Look at this, guys. Okay, here, this red line, blue line, red line, blue line. Look at that. And now it will most likely go to this $42,200 area. Like, it's not completed, it can turn back, but for the meantime it looks like that is the most likely scenario that's gonna happen. And right now you can see that the red volumes are increasing in the 1 hour time frame, bearish divergences in the RSI. Like I said, here, huge bearish divergence right there. The momentum of the RSI is going far lower than the Bitcoin price is going right now. And as you can see, the Bitcoin price is finding resistance in this line. Look at that. And so if the red volume keeps increasing, like above here, like a bunch of these red candles over here, then the Bitcoin price will mostly go to this Fibonacci retracement. The Bitcoin price can break out, retest, and then keep going to the downside. Or the Bitcoin price can just go straight like this, but in order to do that, the Bitcoin price will have to show a lot of red volume in order for this to happen and not this to happen, because those are the two scenarios that are gonna happen, that are most likely going to happen in the Bitcoin price. And this can also turn out to be a fake out by doing this. I'm gonna show you right here. You can do this and then go back. If the Bitcoin price does this, then the pattern is invalidated, and then the Bitcoin price will most likely consolidate for some time and then keep going upwards if the volume keeps increasing. But what I'm seeing right here, the Bitcoin price will go most likely to this Fibonacci retracement because of the low volume, bearish divergence, the M pattern right here, and also the Bitcoin price has been increasing by a lot and it hasn't taken a huge break. Like, in order to keep going upwards, the Bitcoin price has to have some sort of a pullback and some consolidation in order for the Bitcoin price to keep going upwards. Also in the Bitcoin price, It also made the downtrend because of this dead cat bounce strategy that is known for. If the Bitcoin price falls over, doesn't confirm a support above this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, and then gets heavily rejected, the Bitcoin price will most likely keep going more to the downside than it did in the previous low right here. As you can see right here, boom, boom, boom. Also right here, this is a monthly CPR pivot points indicator right here. Bitcoin price found a huge resistance right here and got heavily rejected, and also that's caused for this downtrend in the Bitcoin price also. And this Williams alligator indicator, the red line is a very strong resistance if the Bitcoin price gets rejected. Most likely in the 1 hour time frame, when the Bitcoin price gets rejected in the red line, it will most likely continue a very down trend. It will continue a continuation of the downtrend like this, as you can see right now. You can see it right here. I mentioned the sample right there. For example, here. Bitcoin price didn't hold this red line support, boom, and it started a downtrend. Here, Bitcoin price didn't hold the red line support, downtrend. Here, the Bitcoin price didn't hold the red line support, downtrend. And here, the Bitcoin price didn't hold the red line support, and boom, downtrend. And here, in the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the ribbon was broken in the Bitcoin price, as you can see right here. Also, the Bitcoin price closes below this red line in the last line of the EMA ribbon. The Bitcoin price will most likely cause a short-term bearish in the 1 hour time frame, as you can see right here. You can see, it lost the last line of the EMA ribbon in the 1 hour time frame as support, and then it acted as resistance, rejection, and continuation to the downside. So guys, a great example of the double bottom scenario was here. This was the neckline here, and the price target was measured like this, and the price target was met in the Bitcoin price. So that is the same thing happening, but in reverse, like I mentioned earlier. And the target right here would be this double top. Here is the target measured like this. And so the Bitcoin price is doing the same thing over here, but in reverse. And the price target will be the $42,400 area, which is connected and also has confluence with the Fibonacci retracement right here. So watch out for that, guys. So yeah, guys, that is today's Bitcoin technical analysis video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions. Also follow me on my social medias on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, if you would like to support my YouTube channel, you can click the Bybit link in the description below, where you can find a link on the Bybit website where you can deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin, and you will get around an estimation of $500 for depositing that certain amount of Bitcoin. Also, only click on the Bybit link in the description below if you're an experienced trader and you know what you're doing. Because if you don't know what you're doing and you're not also an experienced trader, investing with leverage is very dangerous, so I would not recommend you doing that if you don't have the experience and you don't know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing and if you don't have the experience. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day and peace out, guys.